Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fingerprint not working on your Google Pixel 11. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the Settings app. Once you open up Settings, you want to scroll down until you see Security and Privacy. And after that, go to Device and Lock. Here, go to Fingerprint and make sure to enter your password. Now, once you do it, you want to delete your fingerprint. Click on Delete. And right now, we want to click on Add Fingerprint. You want to touch and lift, just like we did for the first time. Now our fingertip. And now the left edge, right edge. We got it all. We can set it up. We want to move our finger around it so that we see everything. And now we want to click done. As you guys can see, it is done. And here, what we want to do is we want to test it out. It's working, and if it's not working for you, then what you guys want to do is try and remove your screen protector if you don't have the original one. And of course, next, as a last resort, go over into System, and here go to Software Updates, go to System Update, and make sure that you're on the latest version here because it can fix a lot of the glitches. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.